Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the interior of the earth, internal structure of the earth in three layers: crust, mantle, and core. Now here the topic volcano. Help volcano help to know about the internal part of the earth. What is in the inner part of the earth? The main source is also the we count the main source volcano. First of all, what is volcano? The definition of the volcano. What is volcano? Here the process in which solid gas, solid gaseous part and liquid part, solid gas liquid, all these are in inner part of the earth, internal part of the earth, and call the magma. Then the magma come out from the cracks of the, कहाँ से, the cracks or faults of the crust and in form of lava. This process is called volcano. The process in which the magma come out on the earth surface in form of lava. This process is called volcano. Magma also in here the solid, gas and the liquid part. Then this part, the magma कहाँ आ रहा है? Appear on the earth surface in form of lava. This process is known as volcano. Then the main source of the volcano in the internal part of the earth is asthenosphere. The main source of volcano in internal part of the earth is the asthenosphere. Magma का जो main source है in internal part of the earth is here the asthenosphere. We discuss in the internal layers of internal part of the earth in mantle. Here the asthenosphere, and the main source of the magma is asthenosphere. Then the magma appear on the earth surface in form of lava. This process is known as volcano. And then volcano deposit cooling beneath the earth surface. Then here the plutonic rocks, and then upper part of the earth. Then here the igneous rock volcanic rocks. जब क्या हो रहा है ना, magma कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Here the magma cooling beneath the earth surface से नीचे the magma का cooling हो रहा है. Then here the rocks. These rocks are known as the plutonic rocks. Clear? And the upper part, the magma यहाँ पे appear हो रहा है, और then here cooling the magma, and here the structure like here the many rocks, and these type of the rocks known as the volcanic rocks. These rocks are known as volcanic rocks. And upper part of the earth, and here the beneath the earth, internal part of the earth, here the plutonic rocks. And this class we discuss about the plutonic rocks intrusive forms. We discuss about the plutonic rocks और intrusive forms. These are जो भी यहाँ पे टोपोग्राफीज बनती है कहाँ पे, beneath the earth, are known as the intrusive form. ठीक है? And we discuss about all these forms all these topographies beneath the earth, like here the batholith, lecholith, lepolith, phacolith, sill, dike. Clear? First, here this upper part, the crust, इसे क्या बोलेंगे ना, crust. This upper part is crust. Then here the beneath the earth, here the many topographies form here. These are known as intrusive forms here. The first here the batholith. Then here the magma efforts to come out on the earth surface, but here the power here the low velocity of magma. Then the magma deposit in the deeper depth. deeper depth में क्या हो जाता है, magma का डिपोजिशन या कूलिंग हो जाता है इन फॉर्म ऑफ डोम शेप में जब magma क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, इन डोम शेप. here the magma cooling in deeper depth. this topography is known as the batholith. जब ज़्यादा हम कहेंगे डीपर में, यहाँ पे मैग्मा डोम शेप में कूलिंग होता है, डिपॉजिट होता है, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ द प्लूटोनिक रॉक्स known as the batholith. Next are the laccolith. The laccolith here the part, then the magma deposit, yeah, cooling in dome shape, but here in not the deeper depth, here only the upper side. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यानी all these topographies are formed beneath the earth या beneath the crust. ठीक है, ज्यादा हम कहेंगे डीपर में बनता है डोम शेप, दैट इज कॉल्ड batholith, and here the not here the deeper and the upper side here near the crust, then this known as the laccolith, and these examples are in Karnataka plateau. Next are the Lapolith. Then the magma deposit, या cooling in the concave shape या saucer shape, concave shape और saucer shape. इस प्रकार ये जो shape होता है ना, concave shape, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर एंड द थर्ड ईयर, जब concave shape में क्या हो जाता है, magma का डिपोजिशन होता है. दिस टाइप ऑफ द टोपोग्राफीज नॉन एज द लेपोलिथ. ठीक है. देन हियर फेकोलिथ. व्हाट इज फेकोलिथ? देन हियर द मैग्मा डिपॉजिट इन द वेव शेप. देन हियर द एंटीक्लाइन एंड द सिंक्लाइन्स, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ टोपोग्राफी इज नॉन एज द फेकोलिथ. इन वेव शेप, जो लहर जैसा शेप बन जाता है ना, द मैग्मा डिपॉजिट इन द वेव शेप, लाइक हियर syncline and anticline. This type of the topography is known as the fecolith. Then here the sill and dike. Then the magma deposit nearby the crust in the shape of या horizontal, जब यहाँ पे magma का deposition होता है horizontal. ठीक है. Then here the thickness is more, then this is known as sill. Then thickness is slow, that is here known as the sheet. Thinner here the thickness, then sheet, and thickness is horizontal, thick here the horizontal, जो शेप में यहाँ पे जो क्या हो रहा है ना, डिपॉजिट हो रहा है. ठीक है. the thickness is low या thinner, then sheet, and thickness is high, then here thick here the deposition, then known as sill. And last here the dike, the wall like structure. The wall like structure जब बन जाता है, ऐसे क्या हो रहा है, the magma deposit in the wall like structure. This type of the rocks known as the dike. These example are found in the western Maharashtra. Clear? First here the batholith. In deeper depth here dome shaped topography is known as the batholith, and here the batholith also in the dome shape, but here the not in the depth. This type of the topographies are in Karnataka plateau. And the lapolith, then the magma deposit या cooling in the concave or saucer shape, this is lapolith. And the fecolith, then the magma deposit and cooling in the wave shape, and here deposit in concave wave shape and anticline and the syncline form here. This type of the topography is known as the fecolith. Then the magma cooling in here the horizontal side, but here the thinner, then sheet, and the thickness is high, then here the sill. And the magma deposit in the wall like structure, these are known as the dike, and the dike example found in the western Maharashtra.